Today we're going to go over a common breathing exercise known as belly breathing, also referred to as diaphragmatic breathing. This exercise is really important because it helps us to use our diaphragm to breathe, and it facilitates muscle relaxation in the body and also allows us to breathe a little bit more comfortably with a lot less effort. So when we breathe and we are using our diaphragm muscle, we want to take a breath in and allow the stomach to expand out. This allows the diaphragm to descend and our rib cage to fill. When we exhale, we want that diaphragm to contract back up to its resting state. So the stomach comes in and the ribs go back to their resting position. Why this is important is because we commonly see people reverse breathing, in which they inhale and suck the stomach in and then exhale and relax the belly. But we're actually going to do the opposite. So when you breathe, we can go ahead and do this together. You're going to place one hand on your stomach and one hand on your chest. Now, common mistakes that we might see is when people breathe in, they want to breathe in through the neck and the shoulders. This leaves that diaphragm neglected. So we're going to try to not do that. Instead, when we take a breath in, we're going to inhale, breathe into the stomach, and you'll feel your belly expand outwards. When you exhale, the belly will naturally come back down to its resting state without any effort on your part. So I'm going to experiment with this down on the table and explain how you can do this at home. So you want to make sure you get really comfortable and your spine is fully supported. So I suggest lying down with your back and your knees bent. One pillow for the neck so your neck is relaxed. Place one hand on the stomach, one hand on the chest. Every breath cycle will begin with the exhale, so breathe everything out. And then as you inhale, breathe in through the nose and allow your belly to fill up towards the sky. When you exhale, allow that belly to just naturally drop. If you notice that you're starting to breathe in through the chest, you'll feel some movement under your top hand. Just bring yourself back to your bottom hand and breathe into the belly. So remembering to inhale and breathe in, the belly rises, and as you exhale, the belly will naturally fall. So a few suggestions as you try this exercise is if you find yourself struggling, just continue to keep practicing and remember that each breath cycle is another chance to start again. The other thing that you can consider is always trying to breathe in through the nose, and if you're having trouble, breathe out through the mouth like you're blowing out birthday candles, and that will help to slow your breath. Recommend trying this at home for 5 to 10 minutes, maybe setting a timer for yourself so you don't have to worry about counting or being too exact with it, but rather giving yourself that time to practice. And that is belly breathing.